Hey guys, got another one on Keith's Customs today. We're gonna be putting on a hood struts on my 1985 Mustang GT. Now I don't know if you guys who own Fox Bollies or any Mustangs for that matter have this stupid prop rod, which is a pain in the rear when you're working on your car and you're trying to do something and you hit your head on it, or it's not good. So a company named MTR made some hood struts for the car. Basically, it's a bolt-on application. You have a bracket here that goes on the hood, and you have another bracket here that goes on the fender itself. Now, this reuses all the hardware, the stock factory hardware. So I've already got one side on. Your kit will come with these two brackets and then two shocks. So let's put this other side on here and get rid of that stupid prop rod. Now for today's tools needed, need a ratchet and a 10 millimeter and an 8 millimeter socket. So let's get going. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but this is, especially when you're working on, stuff. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we'll take off the top hood bolt for the hinge mount here. There we go. Now these parts are marked right and left, so when you're putting them on, just make sure you got the right one. This one would be for the right or passenger side. So you put it with the little knob, little nubby, toward the outside of the car. Just line it up there. Put it back in. I don't know why Ford didn't do this right from the factory. Chevy, I own a Camaro, and Chevy has hood struts. Not sure why they don't do it with, or didn't do it with the Mustangs. Make sure it's nice and snug, all right? Then we'll take out the very back fender bolt. Using an 8 millimeter. The hood bolt here was 10 millimeter. All right. Now, you put on this bracket, you put it so this follows the parallel to the fender, and this portion of the bracket will be facing down. Okay, so we're back. Had some technical difficulties, but that happens sometimes. Okay. So we're gonna put our other bracket on here using our 8 millimeter size bolt. And you guys are gonna like this a lot better than the stupid prop rod. Trust me. I had a 2002 Mustang GT, and I got MTR's shock kit for it, and it makes a really nice setup. You're not bumping your head when you're working on the car. It's what Ford should have done right in the first place. Just like that. Snug her down nice and tight. There we go. Let's see, I'll show you how that's on there, parallel to the fender. You know, take our shock. These are nice to have the MTR stickered logo right on there. So that'll go on the top. Put it on the, snap it on the top of the bracket on the hood, just like that. And you have to turn around the other side of the shock so it's facing the right way. Snap that on the bottom. And your installation is complete. And it just makes it real nice. It's a nice clean design. What I like about it, there's no drilling. There's no drilling or anything. And you use your factory hardware. So, and then next you just take off your prop right here. It's held in with one 8mm bolt. And you take that off and you're not knocking your head anymore. So that'll conclude today's installation. Pretty straightforward. It's not too hard at all. So that'll do it for today. Thanks for joining me. And as always, have a good one.